In this video, we will show you how to install a white resin B Antlers chandelier. For this installation, we only need a plier and screwdriver. Before installation, cut the power. Step 1. Install light arms. Disassemble central body. Insert wires and light arm into the central body, and fill washer and nut with plier. Put flatted lock, bore finial and nut with side hole back into central body. Step 2. Connect main wire to wires. Feed main wire through the side hole. Fix wires together matching their color. And connect main wire to wire bundles with wire connectors. Then slide down cover plate and fit with washer and nut. Step 3. Connect tray to light fixtures and canopy. Disconnect and screw button tray connector onto central body. Fixing the screw. Connect tray to button tray connector. Then insert mounting rod into canopy. Add ground wire and screw the connector and screw. And feed main wire through tray and mounting rod. Step 4. Fit the mounting strap to ceiling and connect wires to wires in ceiling. Step 5. Hang the canopy and fix with screw. Step 6. Install the light bulbs. Now turn on the power and enjoy a new light. For more information about Homery and our products, please visit our website.